If you feel lost in the middle of all the property management software options, I'm here to help you dive in and find the best one for you. How to choose the best property management software for you. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. How has Proptech influenced the real estate industry? Proptech, or property technology, is widely recognized in the real estate industry for its success in making property management more feasible. As a result, its associated global market has rapidly grown and is expected to continue growing. What is property management software? Proptech, like property management software, has reshaped real estate, tailored to help managers oversee portfolios efficiently. With features automating daily tasks, there are versions for all property types, including all-in-one solutions for mixed portfolios. Core features of property management software: tenant and lease management. Manage tenant information, screen tenants, track leases, and automatically process rent payments. Maintenance and repair management. Streamline maintenance requests by giving tenants a portal to submit their requests, schedule repairs, and track progress. Accounting and financial management. Track income and expenses associated with property management, facilitate rent payment processing, generate financial reports, and handle budgeting and forecasting. Communication and document management. Facilitate communication with tenants, vendors, and owners, and securely store their documents, photos, and more. Marketing. Post and manage listings from the software, which then automatically shares your listings across platforms like Zillow for visibility. Certain property management software enhances features allowing direct payments for vendors and property affiliates. Some even offer website building services to showcase listings and collecting rental applications. Benefits of using property management software. Given the capabilities of property management software, its advantages are undeniable. Here are a few of the many benefits of leveraging such a tool: enhanced efficiency, improved tenant experience, accurate financial management, data-driven decision-making, and scalability and growth potential. The goal is to help make property managers and owners more organized and efficient, promote and inform growth, and improve landlord-tenant relationships. Landlord-tenant relationships are vital for retaining tenants, not only for property managers and owners, but contractors and vendors also access the property management software. Essentially, the software unifies all parties, ensuring coordination and organization. Today's property management software. With the basics of what property management software does for property managers and owners covered, I can now provide an overview of one of the companies that provides the software as a service: DoorLoop. DoorLoop's slogan is that if it has a door, you can manage it through DoorLoop. DoorLoop is intended to manage any type of property, from residential and commercial properties to industrial ones. This includes student housing, mobile homes, affordable housing, self-storage, and more. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management software that offers the standard features property managers look for, such as accounting, maintenance management, leasing tools, and tenant portal. As an all-in-one software, DoorLoop has other unique features like the ability to pay owners and vendors, charge tenants from all applicable fees directly from the software, and communicate with involved parties both ways. This includes owners, contractors, and other vendors. Integrations. Because DoorLoop is a modern solution, it includes some of the most advanced features and was built with existing tools and technologies in mind. This has enabled DoorLoop to integrate with many other systems. DoorLoop is unique in that it offers an open API for all its plans. Zapier powers DoorLoop's integrations, enabling easy-to-use common tools and software like Zoom, Google Calendar, Salesforce, DocuSign, Microsoft Outlook, Dropbox, Google Drive, TransUnion, Zillow, and more. DoorLoop will also build you a website to work with your tenants and owners and list properties across sites like Zillow and Apartments.com. Features. The biggest advantage of DoorLoop is that it is easy to use. Not only does it simplify property management processes, but also the software itself is very intuitive. We also offer extensive resources for training and support, whether with our employees at the company or through tutorials, webinars, and more online. Security. DoorLoop has a robust military-grade encryption system to keep your data and your tenants secure. Customer service. Users have praised our customer service in terms of speed, quality, and reliability. We offer unlimited support and training, and for those with questions, the average response time is less than 5 minutes. DoorLoop is also a certified Great Place to Work as of 2022. The positive company culture enables DoorLoop's employees themselves to ensure customers are receiving the best service possible. Pricing structure. DoorLoop pricing structure scales based on how many units you have. We also provide both monthly and annual options. To learn more about our pricing, schedule a demo with us today by clicking this link. You may also get a discount because you stayed on till the end of the video. The best property management software is the one that fits the needs of your business, whether in its current state or its projected state as you continue to grow as a property owner or manager. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We hope to speak with you soon.